These are the Taco Bell cats because they all have Taco Bell names. I know I visited with you before. Let me put some of this food off to the side. Oh, hello, hello, hello. They all look alike, so don't ask me who's who. You'll just have to come see them and see which one or ones of them call to you. Sweet. I feel some purring going on. I know. Hello. Hello. I sort of remember these guys being somewhat shy. The girl I just visited next door is not happy that I'm visiting over here. Yes, I know. You're okay, It's okay. Here, smell. Can you smell my hand? Interesting, very interesting. Shouldn't be too interesting because I did wash them. I did. So there's one that's pretty darn confident, and one that is semi-confident. Won't totally run away. And then the runaway one. Is that you? Is that you over there? You're gonna be joined, huh? I think I'm gonna put you guys all on one side. Okay, so that's the moderately confident one. Will let me pet it. Sort of acts like it's half enjoying it, half not enjoying it. And then the really shy one in the back likes the Temptations treats. And I got it to come here to eat one. And I got it to sniff one I put on my lap. Let me see if it'll come forward again. I know, you want to come one? No, it keeps backing away. I know, come on. Here, I'll put two up front. How about that one? I'll put it on the back of the... There it is. How about there? No. Well. Who got it? Here. Here, there you go. You gotta get it this time, okay? It's hard to get it near him because he keeps getting away from where I'm trying to put it. And then the other ones get it. Come on. Where is it? Right there. So this, I pulled this one and I pulled this one out onto my lap. And then just let them go back in when they wanted to. I know, you just keep trying to get away from me. We'll get there. You're not totally freaked, just lightly. Look at, there it is, right there. You get it? I know they can smell it. You get it? It's watching. Like, does my sibling really enjoy that? This one actually does. Yes. You see, there's the treat right there. See that right there? Right there. Treat.